Hi, it's Ashley from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a simple Batman cake in under 30 minutes. I think I actually accomplished this within about 20 minutes. I normally speed up my crumb coat process, so I thought I would show you this step by step in real time. So the key to leveling out your cakes is keeping that knife really nice and level and flat. Notice how I'm not moving the knife at all, I'm actually just moving the cake itself. I'm not a huge fan of cream cheese frosting, so I'm just filling this with Italian buttercream frosting. When filling a cake, you want to make sure that you're keeping all of the layers nice and flat. This is going to make your end product very flat and easy to work with. Notice how I'm keeping the spatula in place and using my turntable to do the job for me. I'm also not doing a whole lot of pressure. I'm just keeping it in one area so that I get a nice thick, but not too thick layer of frosting. My friend, who was recently on The Big Bake, by the way, is amazing at crumb coating cakes super quickly. So I feel like I am going in slow motion kind of when I'm doing this. What I'm doing right now is just smoothing out all of that excess buttercream so it's perfectly wrapped around the cake. And then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a bunch of icing. Like I have said in past, American buttercream is a lot easier to work with because you can coat it on very thickly and it will kind of just stay. I find Italian meringue a little bit thinner, but the taste is so much better, so that's why I use it. To make this more efficient, what you should be doing is applying a lot more buttercream and then just kind of scraping it off in one go. However, I'm not making as many cakes as I used to, so I'm slightly out of practice. Please forgive me. I really like using a metal bench scraper because it doesn't bend on me, and I really like something nice and firm when I'm working with round cakes. Achieving this nice flat edge can be done in a number of ways. You could just leave the edge all jagged like that, put it in the fridge, and then cut it with an X-Acto knife, or you can do it how I'm doing it right now, which is just kind of swooping things forward, but again, keeping things very level. Stick it in the fridge. In my opinion, if you really want to expedite the process, put it in the freezer. I just didn't have any room. Now I'm cutting some fondant and using a cookie cutter. If you don't have a cookie cutter, this is going to take you a little bit longer, obviously, or you can pipe it with some royal icing, put it in the oven at 175 degrees Fahrenheit, and then in 10 minutes, it should be ready to go. I really wanted to try and get this cake done in a timely manner, so I am kneading my fondant out really well, and I took that cake out of the fridge when it wasn't fully set, so you'll see how my edges are kind of rounded a little bit, but that's all right because we're going to be adding a lot of detail to it. I know I've said this in previous videos, and I will continue to say it. Make sure you use a steamer to expedite the process. It really helps you stick things on super easily and gets rid of that cornstarch. Using already made toppers that are edible or inedible is a great way to expedite decorating your cake. I used macarons, chocolate sixlets, and some royal icing that I already had made, but if you don't have that on hand, you can also purchase chocolate drip at the stores that's already made for you that's super easy to melt and is always the right consistency. When you're making a cake in a timely manner, it's easy to make little mistakes here and there, so a chocolate drip really helps bring things together and cover up any potential mistakes that you might have made along the way. If you're still working on perfecting your cakes, then adding a little piece of ribbon at the bottom of your cake really helps finish it off. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of this sweetie fam. Right now I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. I upload baking tutorials and I also upload baking business tips. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love engaging with you guys.